Big morning for you. Dare I say you crushed it. How'd you do it? Tell me, what are you doing inside this company? Because it seems like the rest of corporate America is hurting.
Well, I'm glad you're here in our Times Square store and new. The brand is alive and vibrant. I couldn't be happier for our employees, for our customers and our shareholders. And you're right. We crushed it. We added 8.3 million customers in 2015. Again, we had 108% of all the postpaid phone growth in the industry. Let me give you an idea what that means. In 2015, T-Mobile added 3.5 million postpaid phone subscribers. AT&T and Verizon and Sprint, any guess? Together, minus 269,000.
But are you making money doing it? Because you started this price war a couple years ago with the Uncarrier program. So it's great for consumers.
Coming in.
It's great for consumers, but how about you?
And the reason I'm glad you're here today is the reason I'm behaving today is it's very important to get across this point. The model is working. What does that mean? That subscriber growth is leading to revenue growth. Service revenue is up 11.7% year over year. To EBITDA growth, we grew EBITDA 30.2%, and adjusted free cash flow in Q4 was up 800% year over year. So the model is working, and we're doing it by solving customer pain points. Sounds cliche, but the Uncarrier stands for solving customer pain points and fixing what was a stupid, broken, arrogant industry for the most important thing in most people's lives.
You're also doing things in an unconventional way. Binge On, the video streaming service, has a lot of people talking about net neutrality issues. Are you going to have to change the way you're planning on rolling the service out?
No, we are pro net neutrality, and we very carefully described it. Now, Binge On, not everybody knows what it is, but let me give you where we're headed. All content is going to the internet. All internet is going mobile. The fastest growing use of data services on your device is video. And the pain point is overages and overbuying. So we created Binge On, which has been highly, highly successful. Why is it pro net neutrality? Anybody can come, any provider, any customer. Most importantly, completely customer choice. Pound 264. Pound. You can turn it on, you can turn it off very easily. We're content agnostic, right? So it's clearly right in the sweet spot of pro net neutrality.
Seeing that subscriber growth is growing, and where do you think it's going to grow next year?
We gave guidance of 2.4 to 3.4, branded postpaid
Then what
customers.
can you tell us about the U.S. economy and the consumer? Because so many people are saying we're in a massive slowdown, but I don't see it here.
Okay. Do you know that this quarter was the 11th quarter in a row that we added more than 1 million customers? So there's a couple things I would say. Not that we can survive in any economy, because again, good economy, bad economy, people are going to participate in wireless services. Maybe even more so in a rough economy, because you're more conscious of what a significant part of your money is. I see a vibrant economy. I mean, I see people, especially on smartphones and on wireless services, participating at a rate greater than ever before.
Then how did you make sense of your stock getting hit so hard in January, hit worse than the rest of the market?
Well, two things. One is our stock was up 45% last year. Second is we're a consensus long, which is a new environment for us. We are one of the most recommended stocks to hold. But right now in 2016, the beginning, I would call it hedge fund de-risking. So people are selling what they can, not what they want to. But if you look at the 12-month targets for us, I think the average 12-month price target for our stock is about 46. So I feel pretty good.
We got 15 seconds. You know what I want? 5G. How are you getting from 4 to 5G?
Well, first of all, the imminent 5G that some of our competitors said is coming is going to be delayed. It's not really here yet, but I can trust you. When it's available and all its benefits, you're going to get it from us first.
There we have it.